Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best ways to make money during the AI uptrend. AI, or artificial intelligence, is one of the most exciting and disruptive technologies of our time, and it's creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and investors. Here are some of the ways you can capitalize on this trend and earn some extra income. 1. Start an AI-related blog or podcast. If you have a passion for AI and want to share your knowledge and insights with others, you can start a blog or a podcast on this topic. You can monetize your content by displaying ads, selling products or services, or getting sponsorships from relevant companies. You can also use your blog or podcast to build your personal brand and network with other AI enthusiasts and experts. 2. Create an AI-related course or ebook. If you have some expertise or experience in AI, you can create an online course or an ebook that teaches others how to use or apply AI in various domains. You can sell your course or ebook on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Amazon Kindle, or on your own website. You can also leverage your course or ebook to generate leads for your other AI-related offerings. 3. Offer AI-related services or consulting. If you have some skills or knowledge in AI, you can offer your services or consulting to clients who need help with AI-related projects or problems. You can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTill to find clients, or you can reach out to your existing network or contacts. You can offer services like data analysis, data visualization, machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, chatbot development, and more. 4. Build an AI-related product or app. If you have some coding or development skills, you can build an AI-related product or app that solves a problem or provides value to a specific audience or market. You can use tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or AWS to create and deploy your AI models, and you can use platforms like Google Play, Apple App Store, or Product Hunt to launch and market your product or app. You can monetize your product or app by charging a fee, displaying ads, or offering in-app purchases. 5. Invest in AI-related stocks or funds. If you have some money to spare and want to take advantage of the AI uptrend, you can invest in AI-related stocks or funds that are expected to grow in the future. You can use platforms like Robinhood, eToro, or Wealthfront to buy and sell stocks or funds, or you can use platforms like Motley Fool, Seeking Alpha, or Investopedia to research and analyze the best AI-related stocks or funds to invest in. You can also diversify your portfolio by investing in different sectors, regions, or stages of AI development. These are some of the best ways to make money during the AI uptrend. Of course, there are many more ways, and you can always come up with your own ideas based on your skills, interests, and goals. The key is to be creative, proactive, and adaptable, and to keep learning and improving your AI skills and knowledge. AI is the future, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think of these ways to make money during the AI uptrend, or if you have any other ideas or questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.